you guys, and welcome back to another video. We left Idaho this morning and we are now in Utah at this beautiful lake with these beautiful mountains.
Amazing.
Literally right on the water. And it's absolutely insane. I'm gonna go jump in. So this is not the best spot. It's beautiful. However, the lake is just a little smelly. And so we're just gonna hang out here tonight and then leave tomorrow morning. My mom was planning on flying out of Salt Lake City. However, I think plans are gonna change and she's gonna fly out of Jackson, Wyoming. I'm gonna start making my way back up to Bozeman. And yeah, so that's kind of the plan. It's always changing, you know how it goes.
Go with the flow.
Yeah. I've got some peppers and onions sauteing right there. I just chopped up some broccoli and I have this sausage that I need to use. This vegan sausage, and I'm gonna cook this. And that is what is for dinner. It should be done in about 3, 2, 1. And we got dinner. Look at that delicious plate. We're gonna crush this. And yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the night. Probably play some cribbage. All my Midwesterners out there, if you know what that is, let me know, because literally nobody my age knows how to play it. And chill for the rest of the night. So I will catch you guys later. Good morning, world. It is 8 o'clock. It is cloudy out. It's actually beautiful weather. We're just hanging out. There's like these fish in the water that like, I don't know what's happening, but they're making lots of noise. They're very interesting. I can't see them, but I'm gonna try to get them on footage because it's just like, they're so weird. But I think we're gonna pick up some trash today because it is so dirty down here, especially after Memorial Day weekend. It's just like, I just don't get it. Why do people just leave their trash places? Like, pick it up. It's not that hard. You brought it in, you can take it out too. So remember, do your part, keep it clean, and if you can leave it cleaner than you found it, great. So that's what we're gonna get to this morning, and then I think we're gonna try to figure out where we're going, what we're doing. Yeah. This is not acceptable. There's just a pile of cans on the floor and it was hidden under a bush. It's like, why can't you just pick up the frickin' cans and throw them away? You took them here, so you can take them away too. So people, pick up your goddamn trash.
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way. Promise me that you know.
I literally went on like a 5-minute walk and picked up a whole bag of trash. It's just really unnecessary and really pisses me off. So please pick up your trash, people. Once this whole COVID pandemic thing is over and like gatherings can happen again, I think it'd be really, really, really awesome to do like meetups, but also just go on a hike and pick up trash, or like go literally anywhere, meet up with all of you guys, and we can all pick up trash together. So let me know in the comments below if anybody would be interested in doing that. I think it'd be awesome, good for the earth. I get to meet and hang out with you guys, and it would just be a fun way to get together and do something good. So yeah, we are gonna go adventuring and we're gonna try to get to the top of that right there. breakfast, and now we are gonna get the hell out of here. It is
muggy.
It's muggy, it's hot, humid, not the ideal location. I thought this spot was gonna be way better, but you can't win them all. So we are gonna head to somewhere about halfway between here and Jackson, and then yeah, hopefully it's a good spot. I think it's right by a river, and we will see what it looks like. The lesson from today, folks, is sometimes you just have to keep driving and you end up at a place like this. Alrighty guys, so I am just gonna whip up some dinner. We're just gonna chill the rest of the night. It is raining just a little bit, but it should be clearing up by tomorrow. And yeah, it is so beautiful here, and the next video I'm gonna have what we do here. We're gonna go hiking tomorrow. We're just in the middle of the forest. It's so cool. So I'll catch you guys at the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and have an amazing day. Bye, you guys.